One of the features of Outlook that can help you to save time and help you to find your emails easier is called search folders. So over here on the left panel, I have my inbox, and if I scrub down, I'm gonna see an option named search folders. And as you can see, I have a few options I have already created, but I'm gonna create a new search folder. So if I right click on it and select new search folder, this window will pop up asking you what criteria would you like to be implemented on your search folder. So a search folder is going to look into all the items that are available inside your inbox, and then it's going to create a specific criteria of search that is going to be easy for you to filter out emails according to the options that you specify when creating your search folder. So you're going to find some pretty good pre-built options here. So some of these are unread mail, mail flag for follow-up, import email. So I'm going to click on important email and then press OK. And it's going to search inside the Paulo at the Training Initiative.co.uk, where you can choose into a different email if you like. And if you check here on the left, you're going to see that a search folder has been created. And what's that doing is that it's looking up for all the important emails that have been assigned to my inbox, and is creating a specific search for it. To delete a search folder, you have to right click on it, and then you're gonna go delete folder. And just check it, make sure that you're deleting the folder, not the emails, and you can click yes. If you like to create a custom search folder, right click on the search folder, scroll down to the bottom, and you're going to find an option that says create custom search folder. Let's select that and click OK. And it's going to ask you to create a name. So for this instance, I'm just creating a search folder that's going to look up the emails that my friend Dan Jones and also Chris have sent me. So I'm going to make a name for my folder. And right next to it, you're going to see criteria. And that's where you want to click. And here's where you specify the criteria of your search. At the moment, I'm only interested in finding emails from a specific person, but you can also create a search that has a specific keywords in the body or the title. And this can be really good if you're receiving automatic emails, like from ClickUp or HubSpot, for example. So you can have all these emails to go into a specific search folder. For this instance, we're gonna find the people that we're interested on. So you click from, and it's gonna find the global address list. And I'm gonna look for Dan Jones, double click that, and also Chris. Click OK. So at the moment I only have this specific criteria. I could click on more options. So now I am specifying that the items must also be unread. Again, take your time to have a look at the options from the search criteria folder, as this will help you to speed up your workflow massively. So I go back to messages. I don't want to put any more criteria to my search folder, so I'm going to click OK. And I'm just going to rename it. I'm going to put unread. I'm going to click OK and click OK again. And as you can see, I only have one message that is on the search folder at the moment, but the search folder has been created and it should be working for any future incoming emails that comes in from Daniel Jones and Chris. And that's how to use your search folders.